Good afternoon. It is Monday. I don't remember. I think Saturday morning was the last time I vlogged, but I'm gonna try to set you guys down. Maybe. There. Okay, so yes, I vlogged Saturday. I don't know. I have so much random vlog footage, so I am just going to put it all together into a video for you guys. I'm trying to get back into filming. Yesterday we went to the Southern Women's Show, me, Dwight's cousin, and Dwight's aunt, and it was a lot of fun. It was definitely a fun girls' day. I haven't had a girls' day in a while, so that was super fun. I hadn't been to the Southern Women's Show in so long. So it was definitely a lot of fun. I actually got this little thing that I'm wearing there. My hair is a hot mess, but at the same time I think it's kind of cute. I did get it done last week, so it's a lot lighter, but I really like it. And we went to lunch after, and then I just came home and we had friends over and we grilled out and stuff like that. But as you guys know, I do run a makeup business and skincare business from my phone, so my phone's battery does not stay very long, and I do have the vlog camera. I'm just not 100% sure that I love it and the quality and all that, but I may charge it up and try to start using it just so that I can preserve some of my phone battery, so we'll see about that. Today I'm going to try to get everything charged up and ready to go with that so that I can vlog more. If you guys have any sit down videos or any video ideas in general that you want to see, please let me know. It's been kind of hard to figure out what I want to do on my channel now because I am not doing infertility right now, so like I don't have any videos as far as that goes, and that seems to be what everyone likes the most. But since I'm not doing those right now, I don't really know what to post other than like vlogs, but I'm also not doing much. Like I go to work and I come home and I do more work. So you guys just let me know if you have any ideas that you want to see. Makeup videos, if you want a skincare video, anything like that, just let me know. But other than that, I'm just going to probably be vlogging. I was going to show you some of the things I got yesterday. So I got 2 new rings yesterday. I have really been like into just simple jewelry and whatnot. So I got this one, which is just like an opal, and it's super pretty. Both of these rings ended up being half off, which is super awesome. And then this is my favorite. I have been eyeballing rings like this for a while, and so I'm super excited to finally have gotten one. So it's one of the ones that you can get your monogram on. I don't know if you can see it. But anyways, it has my monogram on it, and they did that yesterday. So and this ring ended up being, they were both 50% off, so I think I don't know how much I paid for them, but like 50 bucks for both maybe. So yeah, I absolutely love them. And then of course I have my wedding rings over here. I was gonna get some earrings that matched this one, but I decided not to. So yeah, we had a lot of fun. We got a lot of goodies. I already have them put away, or I'd show you. I did get some Monat, however you say it, samples. So I'm going to be washing my hair with it today just to see how it works and try it out. My hair is ready to be washed. I probably could get away with it one more day, but I'm just going to wash it tonight because I want to see how well that shampoo works. So, anyways, I'm about to be cleaning my house. It's like, what time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. I slept until about 11 today. I just haven't been sleeping well, and I've also been staying up late working because I try to spend time with Dwight when he gets home, and so when he goes to bed, I usually stay up and do a little bit of work, and then obviously I get up and go to work still, and half the time I get up with him, so it's even earlier. But yeah, I don't know what else to update you guys on. The dogs are here, they're playing. and I'm about to just get some laundry done and kind of clean up a little bit. And I need to work out today because I have been slacking on my workouts. We've just had a lot going on. It's just been hard. So yeah, that is the plan for the day. I'm just gonna put a bunch of my footage together and hope that we get a decent video. Good morning, guys. Excuse the fact that I look like a hot mess. The rain is making my hair just go so I'm fixing to try to braid it or something. But I just got home. We took Nellie to the vet. As you would have just seen, she had her last puppy shots today, and then she got her rabies and bordetella shots and her heartworm medicine. So just getting the kiddos taken care of. They went a few weeks ago and got all of their rabies and bordetella. And then we set up Nellie's next appointment because she is going to be getting some kind of vaccine that is going to protect her from like the wildlife and stuff like that, because apparently there's this new thing in this area specifically that's killing a lot of dogs because they're like in the woods and like out a lot more. So since she will be duck hunting and whatnot and at our camper a lot, I figured we'll go ahead and get that for her. But we gotta wait a few months, I think 2 months, because she needs to get a little bit older because it's gonna make her sore. So he just wanted her to be a little bit older and not get it on a day where she got so many other shots. So yeah, doing that. Now it is 10:30. I have Miller with me. He's getting in the back. We're gonna grab something to eat. Oh, that reminds me, I have food in the house. I'm gonna go back inside and get my food, and then we're gonna go to my parents' house. I need to study for 2 midterms that I have today, and then I have a doctor's appointment myself today. So we have a busy day, but I'm super excited to bring you guys along and be vlogging again. I was trying to vlog the other day and it just wasn't working out, so we're gonna try again today. But I need to run back inside and get my charger and my food because I totally forgot about the food that I had. I got up at 4 this morning, fixed Dwight's lunch, made his coffee, and had to take him to work, and so then he had to be there at 5:30. So got him there, and then I came back home and went to sleep until Nellie's appointment, which was at 9:30. So yeah, it's just been a crazy day, and it's getting crazier. I was supposed to take the car to get it washed, but my midterms are more important and I really need to study. My husband will not be happy with me, but you know what, it is what it is. So let me run back inside. I also just had to come down. I'm at the end of my driveway. You can't tell, but I'm at the end of my driveway. I had to get our trash thing that we take to the road every Tuesday with the trash and bring it back to the house because we're having really bad storms and high winds, and we didn't want it to like blow in the road. Normally Dwight would do it, but he was like, I'm scared it's gonna blow into the middle of the road or something with it being empty now. So yeah, I just drove down here to walk that back up, but I realized I need to go back in the house. So I'm gonna do that and then we're gonna head out. Hey guys, so it is like 12:10 now, and a lot of the schools are closing early. I know the counties that I live in and where my parents live, they're all closing early because we're supposed to have really bad storms today. So I decided to go ahead and go to school and take my test just in case they decide to close early. I don't know if that's a thing or not, since I don't ever really have to go to school for school. I take everything online, except for these tests. But yeah, so it's raining now, and I'm just hoping I can get there and get these taken care of before it gets really ugly, because I do not like the storms either. But yeah, so it's raining pretty hard, so I'm going to get there and take these tests, and then I'll see you guys after. Y'all, I literally hate taking tests. Like, I can do homework and classwork and, you know, read the chapters all day long, but when it comes down to actually taking the test, it doesn't matter how much I study or how much I don't study. I bomb them every single time because I just get really confused. There's just a lot of information. Like, legit, the first one was over like 8 chapters or 7 chapters or something like that, and you're gonna give me 50 questions. So how am I really supposed to know what to study out of 7 chapters? Really? So I don't know, I just, like, it's so frustrating. But I didn't study as much as I could have, but like, it was just a lot of information, so it made it really hard to just know what to study. So yeah, the first one, I didn't get a grade on one, and then I know what I got on the other, and I didn't do that great, but I didn't do like terrible either, so whatever. It is what it is. I just have to, I need to better prepare next time. But I literally made it out right before the bottom fell out, which is crazy because it stopped raining when I got here, so I went in, and then it didn't start raining until right when I got in the car. So yeah, now I need to go get something to eat, and I have no idea what to get. So yeah, I'm just glad that those are over with and I can go home, or at least go back to my mom's until Dwight gets off, whenever that's gonna be. But yeah, I want to finish school, and I'm glad that I am finishing school, but it's just hard and it's a lot, and yeah, it's just a lot. But anyways, that's all for now. Hey guys, so this is such a weird angle, but I have Miss Nellie behind my head, so it's really hard to vlog. Maybe I'll just do it like this. But yeah, it is now Friday, so it is the next day, and I don't really know how long this vlog is going to be, but I still wanted to get this video uploaded for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I am getting back into a routine, and so I will be posting more videos more frequently. Mostly vlogs for sure. We have a lot of fun things coming up. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up. Please, 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 if you have any video requests, comment them down below. It can be diabetes, lifestyle, whatever. I don't care what it is. Just any suggestions that you have, leave them down below. Follow me on Instagram as well if you haven't already. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.